Hello kids! In today's episode, we are going to learn how to use turmeric as a natural indicator to identify whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. Watch this cool experiment and in the end we will discuss the science behind it. Why does the turmeric solution turns red when NaOH is added to it and nothing happens when vinegar is added to other solutions? Well, that happens because turmeric is acidic in nature, and when it reacts with the base, that is NaOH in our case, neutralization reaction occurs which is responsible for the red color. Let me know in the comment section how you like this experiment. You can use any acidic solution like lemon juice or basic like soap solution to perform this experiment. Also hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.